Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So we are looking today at a 77-degree air temperature with a dew point value of 76. What does that mean? It means it feels kind of sticky out there. We have a 78-degree heat index, and we have a little bit of cloud cover and some showers in progress as well. We have a temperature of 81 by about 9 a.m., I think, and we'll have a chance of rainfall that increases a little bit to about 30% by 9 a.m. Thereafter, say between 10, 11, we'll probably see a little bit of a lull in the rain chance before it picks up again around 12 noon with a little daytime heating. And that will carry on into the afternoon when we'll have a 50% chance of rainfall. The focus of those rain showers moving into inland areas in the afternoon. So lots of activity on radar, even at this hour of the morning. There's been thunderstorms as well, another indication of the instability of our atmosphere. We have to our south a little bit deeper moisture in the southern tip of the state, and that's helping to produce a few of these showers you see down to the south, kind of skirting our coastline. They're generally lifting pretty much due north, and now areas around Gasparilla starting to get a little bit of light drizzle, perhaps rain showers probably in progress. Now, the tendency has been for these showers to kind of fall apart. So as it lifts north, maybe a little bit of light drizzle or a passing shower for Rotunda and maybe Inglewood. By the time it gets to Venice or Sarasota, I think this particular cell will be gone. However, there's more out there, and we do certainly have a chance during the morning hours of seeing some rain showers close to the coast. Not much of a risk of any kind of severe weather today. Any kind of showers that we get are going to be the standard. Any kind of thunderstorms we get would be of the standard thunderstorm variety, non-severe in nature. So the futurecast shows this one cluster of showers kind of lifting north by about 9 o'clock this morning, then fizzling out as it does so. Chance of rain along the coastline through the afternoon, and then as we head into the 5 p.m. hour, maybe a thunderstorm or two, especially in inland areas. It's going to be another one of those days where persistent showers will remain out in Gulf waters, so boaters pay attention to that. And some of the storms that build during the evening hours could be strong, producing some fairly heavy rainfall accumulations, perhaps as much as 2-inch rainfalls in inland areas. By far, the majority of the rain is going to fall down to the south. Traveling today on Alligator Alley will be a wet experience, I think, as you head into the afternoon hours. High pressure out in the Atlantic. Trough low pressure down through the deep south. A general flow of air up out of the south switches a little bit more to the east tomorrow as that high retreats to the north. That means the showers that build in inland areas tend to be pushed closer to our coastline tomorrow. So we'll up the rain chance just a little bit. A few more clouds around to start the day today. Afternoon storms focusing on inland areas. And then a slightly drier condition this weekend as the humid air indicated here by red. Redder is wetter in this forecast. And drier air back to the rest in the cooler colors. The drier air kind of filters in as we head into the weekend. That reduces our rain chances somewhat. There's still plentiful amounts of moisture in the southern tip of the state to support showers, and we're not going to eliminate the rain completely, but we probably will tend it down a little bit. Heading to the beach today? Well, not good news according to Mote Marine's latest spotter reports. From Lido Key southward, red tide toxins are creating respiratory irritation. And that is particularly true in Siesta Key, Nokomis, and Gasparilla. So we'll watch the wind shift west. The general drift forecast by University of South Florida is for this to lift northward a little bit and kind of skirt the Keys before perhaps moving a little bit further out to sea as our winds turn east over the weekend. We'll see how that plays out. A little bit of cloud cover around this morning. That kind of limits the amount of sunshine we get. Tropics look quiet. Water temperatures are abnormally cold still coming off the coast of Africa. That's a hurricane killer. You have to go back into the tropics nearby North America and the Caribbean to find some warmer temperatures, but upper level winds there are not conducive for development. So all in all, next 5 days or so for tropical development looks pretty quiet. South wind coming in at about 10 knots today. We'll look for good chances of rain today and tomorrow. Then that drier air moves in, reduces rain chances a little bit for the weekend. Also the timing of the storms. They'll build inland over the weekend first and then drift back to the coast during the later evening hours. And next work week, we'll start to up the rain chances just a little bit by midweek.